Welcome to Fun Grammar for Beginner class. This unit is about how to use we, you, they with verb be, and how to use WH and how questions with be.
Anna and Tom are from London. They're from London.
Diana and I are in room 4. We're in room 4.
The Taj Mahal is in India. It's in India. Are Mark and James in Italy? Are they in Italy?
Where is Reza from? Where's she from?
Mira and Rita are Brazilian. They're Brazilian.
Paul isn't in the hotel. He isn't in the hotel.
You and Sarah are in class 2. You're in class 2.
Jim and I are from Oxford. We're from Oxford.
Honda and Toyota are Japanese. They're Japanese.
Louisa and I are Brazilian. We are Brazilian.
You and Henry aren't teachers. You aren't teachers.
Are Liz and Tom in Egypt? Are they in Egypt?
Anna and I aren't Mexican. We aren't Mexican.
You, Max and John are in class 4. You're in class 4.
Are Mike and Peter English? Are they English?
Are Linda and I in class 4? Are we in class 4?
You and Lucy aren't in class 4. You aren't in class 4.
Lucy and I are on holiday. We are on holiday.
They aren't French. They're Swiss, from Lausanne.
Are you from the United States?
No, we aren't American. We're English.
Are they Spanish?
Yes, they are. They're from Marad.
Nikolai's from Moscow. He's from St. Petersburg.
Sorry, you aren't in room 20, you're in room 22.
Is Adidas American?
No, it isn't. It's German.
Are we late?
Yes, you are. It's 9:30.
I'm not Sarah Smith, I'm Sarah Simpson.
They aren't from New York, they're from Texas.
Where's Laura from?
She's from Recife.
Is Recife in Brazil?
Yes, it is.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
When's the concert?
On Tuesday at 7:30.
Where is it?
In the festival hall.
What's your name?
Jessica.
Who is she?
She's my friend, Julia.
Where is she from?
Italy.
What's your email?
It's jb1098@yahoo.com.
Who's that?
My brother Adrian.
How old is he?
He's 25.
How old are you?
Who is she?
What is your phone number?
Where is room 4? Is Marta married?
When is your English class? Is your phone number 015-1496-0362?
What is his email?
How old is Pedro?
What's your name?
I'm Pedro Guzman.
Where are you from?
I'm from Monterey.
Monterrey? Where is it?
It's in Mexico.
Thanks. What's your email?
It's pguzmn@gmail.com.
Okay. What's your phone number?
It's 81-8150-9304.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for your subscribe.